This is the day in the life of Bubbles. Bubbles first starts his day with being woken up. He then gets fed and is let out of his cage. Bubbles always starts his mornings in the windows, tweeting away. He then gets his vegetables. Today he's having broccoli. He likes to throw his food. Bubbles then likes to talk on my mom's shoulder and hang out with her. Later on in the day, Bubbles takes his afternoon nap. After his nap and he is all refreshed, Bubbles likes to help my mom do laundry. Don't tell him, but he's not much of a help. Bubbles then preens his feathers. He's always got to look nice. He likes to tweet as he preens. Later on, Bubbles does his exercise and training with me. He then gets himself into mischief and flies laps in my bedroom.
Bubble!
By now, it is evening time and he eats his dinner. Now it's the end of Bubbles' day. I put Bubbles to bed and I say goodnight to him.
It's bedtime! Good night! It's bedtime. Good night, buddy. Good night.